Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to sync leave applications and claims from HRMS into SQL Payroll. First, make sure your system is properly set up. Ensure your SQL Cloud is enabled. All the leave types and claims are already created. Then, check that your leave entitlement settings are correctly assigned to each employee group. Also, make sure every staff member has a valid email address under Maintain Employee. Once everything is set up, employees can log in to the HRMS app and start applying for their leaves and claims. After an employee submits a leave or claim in HRMS, the manager or approver can review, approve, or reject the application. Click in the Team Leave. All the applications will be shown as pending here. Now, click in to view the application. You may choose to either approve or reject accordingly. After that, a notification will pop up in Manager and Employee side. Now, I will approve on another leave application. Once both is being approved, then we'll go for the claims. Go back to main page and click Claim. Here we can see there are two claims from the employee. You may choose to either approve or reject accordingly. Once all the leaves are being approved, go back to your SQL Payroll software. Click on this cloud icon. Click on Sync Cloud. Now, click on Sync All. The data from the HRMS app will be synchronized back to your SQL Payroll system. If you wish to change the posting date for claims, select the relevant record in the table and right-click Select Edit. From there, you can update the posting date. Then, click on Save. After making the changes, click on Update Payroll. After that, you may check the employee leave in the system. Click on Leave. Select Leave Application. Click on Current Leave. Click to check on the employee leave. Here are the two applications that we have submitted and approved. The data shown will sync back to this system. For claim records, click on Payroll. Select Open Pending Payroll. Click on Claim. All the claims that have been approved in HRMS app will sync here. That's how you sync the leave and claims from HRMS app into SQL Payroll system. That's all. Thank you and see you in the next video.